Good morning. We're headed to Taos. We're gonna do the Enchanted Circle this morning. Today, I don't know how long we're gonna do. It's gonna take us to do it, but we're gonna go to Taos first. We're gonna go clockwise, and we're gonna do a Walmart pickup there in Taos. So we're gonna do a little side jump to go to Walmart, pick us up some stuff, and then do the Enchanted Circle. So we cut off the highway, and Deborah used to camp here quite a bit in the day in her van. This is a campground, Forest Service campground, so we're gonna go check it out.
Outside of Cuesta.
Outside of Cuesta. And
I used to come here and see my friend Linda May.
it's got vault toilets and everything. We probably, what, 3 or 4 miles in?
3.5 exactly.
3.5 miles in.
Not the best road.
No, but I've been on worse.
Yeah. There's a van here now.
I'll turn this off and then I guess you go to the right?
Yes, go to the right, and it's just a lollipop loop.
Okay, so there's the vault toilet.
And my favorite site is available, so we can go park in it and get out and look around.
Cool. So no paid campground. This is a free campground?
It's a national forest. It's not available by reservation, and there's no kiosk, so
Yeah.
I don't know. You don't want to go to the right, but there's camping up in there too, but you have to back out.
Okay. So this was the site that Deborah would camp at. It's 14-day limit, number 6. Let's go look at the Rio Grande River. You say River Rio Grande? Grande? Grand. How do you say it? It's down there. I can hear it. That's a nice campsite right there.
Tell me about it. I know.
Yeah. You got a picnic table and fire ring.
All right, so that is the Rio Grande, where you can see the White Rapids. Am I in frame?
You are now.
I am now. Okay, so that's the Rio Grande, where the rapids are. And coming around the canyon, which you can't really see, is the Red River of New Mexico, hence the town, Red River. And it meets the Rio Grande. I have hiked down there, and when you get to where they meet, the Red River, you'd think this is opposite. The Red River is so beautiful and blue and clear, and the Rio Grande is like mud flowing. and it's just weird where they come together. But that's where the Red River dumps into the Rio Grande, right over there.
Sure is pretty.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I could stay here for 14 days.
Heck yeah.
You just don't know what's at the end of a road.
You got to go explore.
Explore. You can hear the water. And here is Red River, the town, village of Red River, and we are gonna go eat some Chinese food. Oh my goodness. We stopped at U Garden in Red River, and this is Mugu Gapin. It comes with a little egg roll and a wonton and fried rice. So good.
So, I've already eaten half of them.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I ate one.
I know. That's the wontons, cheese wontons.
What'd you get? It's cashew chicken, right?
Cashew chicken. This is full. Oh,
I know you.
I don't think I can do this, but I want to show you guys. I don't know why it's so full.
They don't skimp. And this is the lunch portion.
All right.
Be careful, it's hot. It don't want to burn you. Maybe we should have.
Here we go.
Oh
I'm
my!
not going to be able to eat. And I got an egg roll and another wonton in that. No, Finn.
Look at those mushrooms.
I know.
Yum. Oh my goodness! I didn't know they came with wontons and egg rolls.
I know, we didn't need to order any.
Yum.
That's amazing.
That's got to be part of E-Town over there. Going to the cemetery. We're almost there. Alright, I got a geocache up here at E-Town Cemetery. I'll show you. I think I have a little one to put in there. There's a marble. Oh, a rock. One of Joan's rocks. Alright. Put the lid back on it. It was right in here. Gotta go through the barbed wire. There we go. Look how beautiful. So this is the Elizabethtown Cemetery. I think the population back in the 80s was close to 5,000. Yeah. It's a ghost town now. It burned. And there's Baldy Mountain. It's where the big gold rush was. They had a bunch of squatters sitting up there. They squatted up there and partied in E-Town or Elizabethtown. And Elizabeth was the daughter of somebody, and I can't remember now. Gotta go back and read my notes.